Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the spiked cobblestone stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and double crochet spike stitch. Be familiar with the cobblestone stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Then make a half double crochet into that same chain with that single, and then a double crochet in that same chain. So all together in that 3rd chain is going to be a single crochet, half double, and double crochet. Now we're going to start our sequence. Skip 2 chains, and then into this next one, you're going to make that same thing. Single, half double, double. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single, half double, double. Skip 2 chains into the next one, single, half double, double. So you can see how this sequence is going to go. You're going to skip those 2 chains into this next one, make that single crochet, half double, and double crochet all together. You're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of your row. So when you get to the end of your row and you only have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain and then into this last chain, work 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. So we're going to stick with the same sequence that we made in our last row, the single crochet, half double, and double all together. You're going to be working those into previous single crochet. So you're going to skip over to this first one over here. It's going to be right here. So this is a double, half, single. So into that single, work that single crochet, half double, and then we're going to make a double crochet spike. You're going to work this double crochet spike into this space, or it's going to be a stitch going forward once you make more. This space or stitch 1 row down. So it's going to be this right here. And you make that double crochet spike into that space or stitch. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches and then work the same thing in the next single crochet. So single crochet, half double, then double crochet spike into the space or stitch 1 row down, skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next one, half double crochet, then double crochet spike into the space or stitch 1 row down, skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next one, half double, then double crochet spike into the space or stitch 1 row down, skip 2 stitches into this next one, single crochet, half double crochet, then double crochet spike into this space or stitch 1 row down, skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next one, half double, double crochet spike into the space or stitch 1 row down. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches left. Skip 2 like we had been doing into the last one, work 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the spiked cobblestone stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.